Hi everyone, a quick video again about front-running boat scams. When you type front-run boat on YouTube, you come across the same kind of videos that promise you to earn 1,000 per day or even more. These are pure frauds. Don't trust anything that promises you to earn that much. I can't show you all the videos for copyright reason. This is ridiculous, but YouTube have deleted my previous videos for that. I also can't show you an example of the code anymore. I have to ask permission to the scammer in order to give an analysis of the code. Anyway, again, just analyze a few moments the fake code. When you copy paste the code on Remix, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a lot of green lines. These are only comment lines, so the code is almost empty. There is only one function in the code, and it's a transfer function that sends your money to the scammer address. This function is represented by the so-called action button. If you click on it, the only action it will perform is to transfer your money to the scammer. Guys, let's prevent these people from getting any richer. Leave comments so that everyone can see what is happening. Let's spread the word as much as possible. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.